Now in layer properties, we have another some good tools to optimize or to make our work very fantastic. Suppose you want to move all of your data from here, but you don't want to move that on or that properties. Then what you will do? What you will do? There's some option named turn off the layer of a selected object. If you want to turn off the layer of a selected object, it will be invisible. So if we click here, or by using that option here, turn off layer, we can write here LA or lay OFF off, lay off. Then select an object. I'll select that object. Just see the object related to that layer are now invisible. And now if you want to move that from here, then click move, and you are able to now move it. And again, if you want to visible, turn on all layer visible. Just see now it's moved and your previous layer in the right position. So in this way, you are able to turn on or turn off your layer properties. They have another option directly from here. Just that light option represent the turn off, on and on of your layer. So just click here and turn on the current layer off. Just see your windows moved from here. Now you can do anything with that. If you need to move, copy or anything, that windows will not move or they'll not change anything. And again, if you here and if you click here, just see your that windows is here, door is here. So in this way, you are able to use your turn off and a layer turn off and on.